with our parents and students. I'm Parabut, the campus director here at Aii Language Center, Sen Sok campus. First and foremost, I would like to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to all parents and students for placing your trust in our education services. In less than a year, we have seen tremendous growth with our buildings now reaching full capacity. This remarkable achievement has prompted us to accelerate our expansion plans, which is a clear testament to increasing number of students and the trust you have in us. In response to this growth, our plan is to open more study times, including lunchtime and evening classes. We invite you to visit us for more information about this new offering. Your belief in us drives our commitment to maintain and uphold the highest quality of education. Thank you once again for being a part of our Aii Language Center family. We look forward to continuing this journey of growth and excellence with you.